Universal Pictures invite you to
Collect Glitton Friends hats or springs with your McDonald's Happy Meal. Grab either one hat or one springy per McDonald's Happy Meal.
Piglet, where are you, Piglet?
Get in quick before they vanish.
Sorry, Cornelius.
Oh, yeah.
Look, are you gonna help us or not?
I am helping you.
No, this is you helping.
Come on, freezing. Come on, freezing. Come on, freezing. Come on, freezing. Come on, freeze. Come on, freezing. Come on, freezing right there. What is wrong with your broadband?
That won't help you, Chloe.
Come on, freezing. Come on, freezing. Come on, freezing. Come on, freezing right there. What is wrong with your broadband?
That won't help you, Chloe. What you need is
No.
I'm sorry.
Channel 7, Buffalo.
I don't do that anymore. I'm retired.
The Scary Scooby Bunny.
Puppy power!
With Scooby-Doo, Shaggy, and Scrappy, too. Scary Scooby Funny. The Scary Scooby Bunny. Now the Scary Scooby Funny.
Channel 7, Buffalo.
Hey guys, come on, let's go. We're done here. He's no hero.
So, I'm having a party.
Scooby Funny. The Scary Scooby Funny.
Come on, run faster!
Monday at 7:30.
one of our crispy cereals followed by a real Marshmallow Crispy.
We'll return after these messages. Part of this complete breakfast.
Mom and Dad said that your heart is and you can even
It's a video game cartridge you have to buy separately to play on the Atari Video Computer System. Your parents hook it up to the TV.
Now you're supposed to be yours, like big
This is the Atari Video Computer System. Yours, Revenge, and other video game cartridges are each sold separately.
We'll return after these messages.
Lunchtime!
This will be food.
Hey, great! Turkey! Get down in this world! There is a
Cosmo Kids, in tomato sauce, meatballs, and chicken flavor.
It's a world of different places.
The Muppets and
Shining faces, a world where kids should have some fun. Moms understand wherever in an King presents Holiday Magic Meal.
Out they go to spend the dough without their common sense. They're the dough nuts.
Assembly required.
Little Sally Meatsman never knew what guarantees were, which is why she had to fit when things were great. She never learned she could return them for a refund or a new one. And that was little Sally's big mistake. Her new radio wouldn't play. Her clock struck 3 all day.
And you should always do the same in case you need to phone.
Festival in Japan on Ripley's Believe It or Not. One day, the first video game invitational championship, and an unusual way to wash an elephant on That's Incredible. Now stay tuned for more fun as Scooby goes ghost hunting in a haunted village, and Petey and the gang rescue a gentle animal from a life in the bull ring on the Scooby-Doo Puppy Hour next.